Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Dr. Sharma. Today I'm going to teach all of you how to, in a very rudimentary sense, design a hairline at home using some very basic principles. Please remember, when I actually design these hairlines in the surgical room or with my patients, there's a lot more nuance and complexity around this, but this is a simple and very basic idea where a lot of you can sit at home, play around with your hairlines, and I think it's quite fun. Don't we all like doing this on a Sunday evening? Anyway, so when you first look at the face, we need to think about the power of three. Once again, this doesn't apply to everybody. I don't follow this religiously, but a lot of you ask about this. So the face, typically, we want to partition it into 3, 3, 3. So the first measurement is between the nose and the chin, and the next measurement is between the nose and between the eyebrows, and then finally we look at the distance between your eyebrows here to this. So typically, this measurement between the tip of the nose to your chin should be the same as from the hairline down between your eyebrows. So that's sort of the first line that we want to draw. And once again, depending on how old the patient is, this might be lower, higher. Also depends like where the muscle is. We don't want to be, planning a hairline into the muscle. It looks like a flying magic carpet. So that's your first line. The second line is we want to get the frontotemporal angle, or the FT point. And that's a very complex way of basically saying, as you can see, my hair in the front of the scalp, it's coming out at an angle. So it's almost sticking up. And then the hair on the side, as you can see, it changes direction. And this is where it's sitting quite flat. And that point is really the frontotemporal point. And for me, it's about here. There we are. So that's where it is right now. Now, a lot of you, the reason that you're coming in is because this point has gone backwards. And so what you see on the side, when you look at your side, is you see a lot of forehead. It's all the way up to here. And a lot of patients can't really put it into words, but this is what you're basically trying to say.